Hey Claire, here's our pressure fluctuation while I was telling you about earlier. Figured we'd make a video quick because it's easy enough to do and send it to you so you kind of get an idea here. So this one is going to be a little more dramatic than what you guys have there at the Food Revival or Revival Food Hall. And what we're going to show you here is we got the RPZ up there that he's pointing at right there. It's going to run down through our piping here, which is going to be hard to tell, but there it goes down and we've got a solenoid valve right down here, which is basically what's on your washing machine right now. I was talking that it closes and opens really quickly, and that's what's causing that pressure fluctuation. So I'll show you here real quick. We'll kick that solenoid valve on. I'll try and back out here. So you want to watch this relief valve up here. This is the relief valve that's going to dump or spit when that water hammer occurs. So go ahead, Kurt, turn it on. And see, you get that pressure fluctuation there. Go ahead and do it one more time. And there you can see it kicking that water out when that solenoid valve closes. So what we're going to do now is we're going to throw it on so that there's a soft seated check in line right here like I showed you today. And again, this is pretty dramatic for the pressure fluctuation, so when we run this, we're still going to get that spitting out of the relief valve.
Ready?
Yep. So you can still see it spits. Again, this is very dramatic compared to what you have. But with that soft seated check in place, it's still doing it. So now we'll do it with that expansion tank on there. So now we got the expansion tank online. And we'll go ahead and run it again. Just ran, and obviously nothing's spitting out of the relief valve. Go ahead and run it again. Just clicked off. And you can hear when it shuts off. But that's what's happening when the expansion tank and soft seated check valve are installed together. As you can see, it takes that pressure fluctuation, reduces it to the point where it's not damaging the RPZ anymore.
Like a shock absorber on a car.
Hope that helps. Thanks.